of Class 8 Master G Academy, and I am going to give a seminar on the topic reaching the age of adolescence. So first let's know what is adolescence. The period of life when the body undergoes several changes which leads to reproductive maturity is known as adolescence. Adolescence usually begins around the age of 11 and it ends around the age of 18 or 19. Adolescents are also known as teenage and adolescents are also known as teenagers because this period of life covers the teen age 13, 14, 15, etc.
So, sir, I have one doubt. So, adolescence age means from 11 to 18 only.
Sir, it may vary from some children it will be 9 to 18 or 9 to something like that.
Very good, very good, very good.
Puberty. Puberty is a period of several years in which rapid physical growth and physical and mental changes occur. The most important change during puberty is that teenagers become capable of reproduction. Puberty ends when a teenager reaches reproductive maturity. Changes during puberty. Increase in height. The height increases because the bones of the arms and the legs of a person will get elongated, which leads to increase in height. Change in body shape. In male, mostly the shoulders will get broadened, and in females, the waist will get larger and wider, which leads to change in body shape. Change in voice. The vocal cords, the size of the vocal cords will increase, and it is 15 millimeters in women and 20 millimeters in male. Since it is bigger in male, it will be seen as a protruding part called Adam's apple. And in children, it is very small, and children have high-pitched voice and male have a very, very deep voice. Increased activity of sweat and sebaceous glands. So during this puberty time, the sweat and sebaceous glands increase its secretions, and it will lead to many diseases like acne, and it will also form pimples in the face, etc. Development of sex organs. The testes will be beginning to produce sperms, and the ovaries will begin to mature and it will be enlarged. What are hormones? Hormones are the chemical substances which are produced by the endocrine glands. So the main importance of hormones are it controls the changes that occur during puberty, and there are 6 endocrine glands, and it is also known as ductless glands. Endocrine glands. The first one is pituitary gland. It is also called as master gland. Thyroid gland, adrenal gland, pancreas, testes, which is only present in the male, and ovary is only present in the female. And pituitary gland is present near the brain, and it controls all other activities of the hormones and the glands. And thyroid is present near the neck. Adrenal glands is present on top of the kidneys, and pancreas is near the stomach and the kidneys. And the testes is the reproductive part of the male, and it is only present in the male. And ovary is the reproductive part of female, and it is only present in females. Glands, hormones, and its uses. In this slide, we will discuss about the different endocrine glands and the hormones produced by them and its functions. First one is pituitary gland. The main hormones produced by pituitary gland is the growth hormone, ACTH, etc. So it is also known as the master gland and helps in controlling all other glands, and it also helps in growth of the body. Pancreas. Pancreas produces insulin and glucagon, and it is mainly helps in the balancing of blood sugar levels. Thyroid gland. Thyroid gland produces thyroxine and calcitonin, and it controls the activities of the brain and heart, and also supports in the metabolism. It also helps in balancing the iodine levels. Adrenal gland. Adrenal gland produces adrenaline and other hormones. It is helpful in the salt balancing of the body and helps to control emotions and to help to reduce stress, etc. Testes. The main hormone produced by testes is testosterone and it helps in the production of sperms. Ovaries. The main hormone produced by ovaries are estrogen and progesterone. It helps in the formation of ova and helps to develop the menstrual cycle. Sex determination. So in this slide we will discuss how if a baby is a boy or a girl. All human beings have 23 pairs of chromosomes and out of them 2 are sex chromosomes which are X and Y. A female will have 2 X chromosomes and a male will have X and Y chromosome. The gametes have each one chromosome. The unfertilized egg is always having one sex chromosome. And sperms are of 2 kinds. One is X sperm and the other one is Y sperm. If the sperm containing X chromosome fuses with the egg, it will cause an XX chromosome which is a girl baby, and if sperm containing Y chromosome fertilizes with the egg, then it will produce XY chromosome which is a boy. So this is the diagram. A male will have XY chromosome as the sperms, and when it fuses with the ovum, it produces male baby. And when the male containing X chromosome sperm and the female containing X chromosome egg will fuse, it will produce a female baby. Nutritional needs of adolescents. During adolescence is very important for the growth and mental changes of the body. So the balanced diet of the adolescent should be carefully planned. Adolescents should eat meals that contain protein, vitamins, carbohydrates, minerals, etc. A balanced meal is suggested for an adolescent. Meals like roti vegetables, sambar, etc. are balanced diet. And during the age of adolescence, many children should avoid eating so much tin snacks and chips, biscuits, etc. because they do not have adequate value and it may cause harm to the body. Hygiene. Proper care and hygiene is important for everyone. At least one bath a day is required for both adults and teenagers and children. But it is very important for teenagers because of the increased activity of the sweat and sebaceous gland. So all body parts should be cleaned properly, especially the reproductive parts, to prevent catching bacterial infection. With this, I end my seminar and I hope everyone takes care of themselves. Thank you, and please subscribe to the Master T channel and like and share this video to everyone.
Thank you.